I knew there was going to be legal challenges from everywhere across the state, and I definitely wanted to be a part of that because it's definitely a fight worth fighting. And so it's kind of difficult to get everybody kind of combined on one lawsuit. We saw earlier last week the four sheriffs that filed with their prosecuting attorneys. Um, and so I reached out to Joel Ard. He's known for, fighting these unconstitutional things in the state. He also lives in Kitsap. And so he was working with the Washington State Sheriff's Association to also file a lawsuit. And so I told him that I wanted to be a part of it. And so he consulted the Sheriff's Association and they all agreed. They represent 39 sheriffs. And so they agreed that they would back the lawsuit that I'm in. So myself and the Washington State Sheriff's Association are co-plaintiffs in this lawsuit. And so the big thing with this lawsuit, not only does it challenge like my qualifications and the law that prevents someone from running, it also challenges the vacancy process that's created and how the CJTC is in a role. So the lawsuit shows the defendants as Washington State, the Washington State Patrol, and the Criminal Justice Training Commission. And the state legislator in the state constitution has the authority to make qualifications. However, they do not have the authority to delegate it to the executive branch, so i.e. the CJTC or the WSP. So why some of these things the state legislator can do, what they can't do is have WSP, you do the investigation with the CJTC and determine who is qualified. That is unconstitutional, and so we are fighting that as well as removing a sheriff and creating that vacancy. So this bill is just bad all around. We could probably just fill it up with thousands of pages of a lawsuit, but kind of attacking the big thing, protecting the people that want to run for sheriff and the ones that are in sheriff, protecting the voters' rights on who they voted for.